Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make stir-fried rice with pork. First, stir-fry the pork belly. About 1 minute, stir-fry till fragrant. And then add minced carrots. Keep stir-frying together. Stir-fry about 2 minutes. Then add 1 spoon oyster sauce and 1 spoon light soy sauce. Then add the leftover rice. The rice is cold. Stir fry evenly. Mix very well. Add chopped coriander. Stir-fried rice and pork is ready. You can enjoy it. You can try to cook for your family. Very fast cooking.